अपनी जान बचाकर भागो, रन फॉर योर लाइफ। क्या तुमने सभी सवाल हल कर दिए? हैव यू सॉल्व्ड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस? हैव यू सॉल्व्ड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस? वह लगभग 30 साल का है। ही इज़ अबाउट 30 years old. He is about 30 years old. एक बात अक्सर मेरे दिमाग में आती है। A thought often crosses my mind. A thought often crosses my mind. तुम मुझसे चाहते क्या हो? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? गणित एक कठिन विषय है। मैथमेटिक्स इज़ ए टफ सब्जेक्ट। मैथमेटिक्स इज़ ए टफ सब्जेक्ट। वह मुझे भूल चुका है। He has forgotten me. He has forgotten me. तुमने उस दिन मेरी मदद की थी। You helped me that day. You helped me that day. क्या तुम्हें मेरी याद आई? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? मेरा कुछ करने का मन नहीं है। I don't feel like doing anything. I don't feel like doing anything. मैं यहीं पैदा हुआ और पला बड़ा। I was born and brought up here. I was born and brought up here. अपना पसीना पोंछ लो। Wipe your sweat. Wipe your sweat. मुझसे कुछ मत छुपाओ। Don't hide anything from me. Don't hide anything from me. पंखा तेज करो। Turn the fan up. Turn the fan up. तुम्हें माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए। You should apologize. You should apologize. क्या मैं आपके लिए कुछ कर सकता हूँ? Can I do something for you? Can I do something for you? अब तुम हद पार कर रहे हो। Now you are crossing the limits. Now you are crossing the limits. आसमान बादलों से घिरा हुआ है। The sky is overcasted. The sky is overcasted. मैं लड़ने के मूड में नहीं हूँ। I am not in mood of fighting. I am not in mood of fighting. वह तुम्हें ढूंढ रही थी। She was looking for you. She was looking for you. मुझे बहुत पसीना आ रहा है। I am sweating too much. I am sweating too much. मुझे बिल्कुल भी भूख नहीं लगती। I am not hungry at all. I am not hungry at all. तुम्हारी संगत ने मुझे बिगाड़ दिया है। Your company has spoiled me. Your company has spoiled me. आज बहुत गर्मी है। It is boiling hot today. It is boiling hot today. मैं रात को जल्दी सो जाता हूँ। I go to sleep early at night. I go to sleep अर्ली एट नाइट? क्या तुम्हें किसी बात का डर है? आर यू एफ्रेड ऑफ समथिंग? आर यू एफ्रेड ऑफ समथिंग? मैं अगले स्टेशन पर उतर जाऊंगा। I'll get down at the next station. I'll get down at the next station. क्या वक्त हुआ है? What the time is it? What the time is it? वह बिना कुछ कहे चला गया। He left without saying anything. He left without saying anything. तुम करना क्या चाह रहे हो? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? वह तुम्हारे साथ नहीं जाएगी। She won't go with you. She will not go with you. उस लड़के में तुम्हें क्या पसंद है? What do you like in that boy? What do you like in that boy? मैं इस पर कुछ नहीं कह सकता। I can't comment anything on it. I can't comment anything on it. जो कुछ मैंने चाहा वह मुझे मिला। Whatever I wanted, I got that. Whatever I wanted, I got that. इस समय उसे बुलाना ठीक नहीं है। It's not good calling him at this time. It is no good calling him at this time. आज का अखबार कहाँ है? Where is today's newspaper? Where is today's newspaper? जहाँ कहीं भी मैं देखता हूँ तुम दिखती हो। Wherever I see, it's you. Wherever I see, it's you. उन्हें मेरी तरफ से नमस्ते कहना। Give him my regards. Give him my regards. वह अक्सर फूट फूट कर रोने लगता है। He often burst into tears. He often burst into tears. मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठा देना। Wake me up early in the morning. Wake me up early in the morning. तुम वहाँ कब तक रहोगे? For how long will you stay there? For how long will you stay there? क्या तुम मेरे साथ आओगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? ये तो मुझे भी नहीं पता। Even I don't know this. Even I don't know this. कीमतें 10 गुना बढ़ गई हैं। Prices have risen tenfold. Prices have risen tenfold. मुझसे दोबारा कभी बात मत करना। Don't ever talk to me again. Don't ever talk to me again. तुम चिल्ला क्यों रहे हो? Why are you screaming? Why are you screaming? मैं तुम्हें समझ ही नहीं सका। I couldn't understand you. I couldn't understand you. मेरा सपना सच हो गया। My dreams came true. My dreams came true. मुझे सांपों से डर लगता है। I'm afraid of snakes. I'm afraid of snakes. उसे बहुत छींकें आ रही हैं। He is sneezing a lot. He is sneezing a lot. तुम्हारी मेहनत रंग लाई। Your hard work paid off. Your hard work paid off. हमारी सारी कोशिशें काम नहीं आई। All our efforts were fruitless. All our efforts were fruitless. क्या आपको गर्मी का मौसम पसंद है? Do you like summers? Do you like summers? मैं तुम्हें एक कहानी सुनाता हूँ। I tell you a story. I tell you a story. यही तो मैं सोच रहा था। This is what I was thinking. This is what I was thinking. आप ऐसा क्यों सोचते हो? Why do you think so? Why do you think so? तुम जल्दी में क्यों हो? Why are you in a hurry? Why are you in a hurry? तुम्हें क्या दिक्कत है? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? अभी के अभी यहाँ आओ। Come here right now. Come here right now. फ़िलहाल मैं काम कर रहा हूँ। As of now I am working. As of now I am working. चाय बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म है। The tea is piping hot. The tea is piping hot. तुम्हें नहीं लगता कि ये गलत है? Don't you think it is wrong? Don't you think it is wrong? आखिर तुमने मुझे बताया क्यों नहीं? After all, why didn't you tell me? After all, why didn't you tell me? तुम यहाँ क्यों आए हो? Why have you come here? Why have you come here? वो क्या है? ना, मुझे कहीं जाना है। Actually the thing is I have to go somewhere. Actually the thing is I have to go somewhere. बाइक की चाबी नहीं मिल रही है। I can't find the key of the bike. I can't find the key of the bike. ये तो इसका रोज का काम है। It is his everyday story. It is his everyday story. मैं बता नहीं सकता ये कितना बेहतरीन है। I can't describe how amazing it is. I can't describe how amazing it is. इन पर ध्यान मत दो। Don't pay attention to them. Don't pay attention to them. अच्छा, तुम रहते कहाँ हो? Well, where do you live? Well, where do you live? सोच समझ कर जवाब दो। Answer me thoughtfully. Answer me thoughtfully. मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही खा लिया। I ate too much. I ate too much. उसने अपना गुस्सा मुझ पर निकाल दिया। He took his anger out on me. He took his anger out on me. वह कुछ ज़्यादा ही बोल रहा था। He was speaking too much. He was speaking too much. आजकल वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही हवा में उड़ रहा है। Nowadays he is putting on airs. Nowadays he is putting on airs. मैच कितने बजे शुरू होगा? What time will the match start? What time will the match start? मुझे चाय से ज़्यादा कॉफ़ी पसंद है। I prefer coffee to tea. I prefer coffee to tea. तुम खाना खाते खाते कहाँ चले गए? Where did you go while eating food? Where did you go while eating food? एक बात तो पक्की है, तुम कभी नहीं सुधरोगे। One thing is sure, you will never improve. One thing is sure, you will never improve. वह हार नहीं मानेगा। He will not give up. He will not give up. मैंने उसे बहुत मनाया, तब जाकर वह मानी। I persuaded her a lot, then at last she gave in. I persuaded her a lot, then at last she gave in. कौन कौन वहाँ जा रहा है? Who else is going there? Who else is going there? अंग्रेजी बोलने की आदत डाल लो। Get into the habits of speaking English. Get into the habits of speaking English. और कौन था तुम्हारे साथ? Who else was with you? Who else was with you? बात करनी है तो करो। If you want to talk, then talk. If you want to talk, then talk. जैसा बाप वैसा बेटा। Like father, like son. Like father, like son. मैं तुम जितना अमीर हूँ नहीं हूँ। I am not as rich as you. I am not as rich as you. जल्दी का काम शैतान का। Haste makes waste. Haste makes waste. नेकी कर दरिया में डाल। Do good and forget. Do good and forget. कैसा लग रहा हूँ मैं? How do I look? How do I look? करूँ तो क्या करूँ? What do I do? What do I do? तुम्हारा दिमाग तो ठीक है? Are you in your senses? Are you in your senses? मेरे साथ चालाकी मत करो। Don't play dumb with me. Don't play dumb with me. मैं अपना आपा खो बैठा। I lost my senses. I lost my senses. वह आपे से बाहर हो गया। He went out of control. He went out of control.